what's up everyone, B46 here, back with another travel vlog episode. So we are here on my last day in Taipei. I really do not want to leave. I've enjoyed Taiwan, I've absolutely loved everything about it. But to seal things off, today we are heading over to Shenkeng Tofu Street, which has a lot of different types of tofu that we are going to try out. So let's go see what they have in store. Alright, so while I'm enjoying this bubble tea, which is obviously something you need to try when you come to Taiwan, you remember in my last video I was talking about how great the public transport system is? Well, I'm actually going to take you guys to one of the train stations here in Taiwan to see how it actually works, because it does take quite a while to get to Shenkeng Tofu Street. So let's head there. Okay, so now that we're at the station, we first off have to buy our train ticket. So you would touch the screen to begin, go single journey ticket, and then seeing as we're heading to Matsu station, we'll go the 30 option. And then you pretty much just have to insert your coins. So 2 and 3. And then it will give you your little token. Okay, so this is pretty much what a standard train station should look like in Taipei. Obviously it is, as you can see, spotless clean. And they even have music playing while the train is approaching. That's on the other side. But for now, we are headed off to Da'an to take the Wenhu line towards Matsu. Just patiently waiting for the train to arrive. Okay, so we are on the train. And even the trains have absolutely no rubbish anywhere. That is how clean Taiwan is. It's insanity. It's just you can't even think of cooking here without people even noticing. Okay, so we just arrived at the Shenkeng Old Street. A ton of people here because it's the weekend. And the thing that I realised was that the station was actually pronounced Wuza, not Maza. I know, Australian accent problems, but yeah, we're here at Shenkeng. There is a ton of food on offer. So yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, so I've looked at a number of restaurants along Shenkeng Old Street, and I decided to go to a place called Wuzhou Chuo. Heard some great things about this place. So I'll just show you what dishes I'm having. So the first one is the spicy plain tofu, and the next one is the signature Chao Tofu, is what you'll say in Cantonese, and some rice to go with it. So let's see how it tastes. It's really soft on the inside. It tastes brilliant. Ignore the smell, the taste So while we're just eating here, I'll just show you guys the inside of the Tofu. Although it does have a really bad smell, the taste is incredible. I mean, it's so soft when you eat it. I mean, and the spiciness just adds to the aroma of it. It's heavenly. But yeah, I think I'll just finish these two off. You've got to try the Tofu here. Just cannot miss it. Alright, so I just finished the tofu at Tofu. If you haven't checked them out, do so. Their tofu is probably the most tastiest tofu I've ever had in my life so far. It is absolutely brilliant. But yeah, for now, I think we are going to search for some tofu ice cream just to cool my mouth off a little bit because of the spiciness of the food. So yeah, let's go find it. Okay, so we come across this place. They serve some tofu soft ice cream. As you can see, some people are taking photos as usual. But yeah, let's get one of them. Okay, so the one that I got was just all tofu ice cream. So here we go. It's really creamy for tofu ice cream, but delicious. Alright, so we reached the end of Shenkeng Old Street. It's time to head back to the hotel. It's unfortunate that this is going to be my last day in Taiwan. I'm going to be leaving back to Malaysia tomorrow. Absolutely going to miss everything about it. I mean, the vibe, the food, culture here. Absolutely going to miss it. But there will be a travel film for Taiwan, just letting people know, so be sure to stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. 谢谢 Taiwan. See ya.